Another interesting way and a very cool way of conveying information or entertainment or anything like that is adding text to your TikTok videos. You do the same thing that you would do in stickers. Now you go ahead and tap on the text icon at the very bottom. Now what it's going to allow you to do is just add your text. And it is not cool, but for the sake of this exercise, we're going to go ahead and add it. Now, once you've got this here, you have some options. You can go ahead and choose to have a colored background, and it will change as you change color. And I'm tapping on each one of these color dots down at the very bottom. And you can change all of that. But if you go ahead and tap on the A again, just above the color, it's going to change it to semi-transparent. And then it's going to take that background off altogether. But we're going to go ahead and use this, and we're going to stick it to red. Now, if you have longer text or multiple lines, you can do a center adjustment, or you can do left, or you can do right adjustment. And you also have the option of being able to change your fonts to classic. You can change it to typewriter, and you can change it to cursive, or this is cool, you can change it to that. But on some of these fonts, you're not able to have some of the options of the background color changing if you wanted to. As you can see that it dipped off of the red on that particular font. But you have these different type of texts. Now you can put in multiple text, but let's go ahead and work with this one. And we're going to go ahead and tap on done. Now again, what we want to do is we want to make sure and avoid the very bottom, avoid the very right, and avoid the very top. So I'm going to go ahead and put this right up here, and I'm going to take my two fingers, and while pressing down, I'm going to move it to where it's adjacent to this, and we're going to put it down like that. Now, this text as it stands right now will last throughout the entirety of the video. Now you'll notice in a lot of the TikTok videos, they will go ahead and have text that appears at the very beginning and then be done with it within the first second or two. And so what you want to do to affect the timing is you want to tap on the text once, and you want to set the duration. Go ahead and do that. And as you can see, as it stands right now, the text is over the whole video. But I'm going to take my thumb or my finger, you can use either one, and move it to a specific spot in your video and place it around there. And move it around. And now we're going to move this cursor back to the very beginning, and we're going to play the video by tapping on the triangle. And as you can see, it pops up and then it goes. Now, if you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and tap on the check mark and go ahead and have that done. And if you're not, you can tap on the X and go ahead and re-edit again. But I'm going to go ahead and tap on it and change the text to where it appears at the very beginning, but we're going to go ahead and have it at the very end. And depending upon the size of your video, you won't be able to go very far. So I'm going to have it right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the check. But then I want to add some more text later on in the video. So I'm going to tap on the text again. And I'm going to go, yeah, pretty exciting stuff. I'm going to have the background text. I'm going to have it blue, and we're going to tap on done. And I'm going to move this around, and I'm just tapping on the text and moving it around with my finger. And I'm going to go ahead and put it right over here. And we're going to affect the duration because I want it to appear after the cool text. So I'm going to tap on that and set the duration. And I'm going to move my line there, and I'm going to have it there. Click on the check marks. And as you can see, the text will appear as there. Now, this is a cool way of adding a type of closed caption. And a lot of videos that you will see on the home page, we're going to get out of this because I don't want to publish that. A lot of videos that you will see on the home page will have text that is there, giving an indication of what this video is about. Now, if I go back home on my profile, you'll be able to see some of my videos have text that's on there, so that if anyone wants to take a look, they can see what the video is about or actually read what the video is about. But in any event, what you need to do is make sure that you have your text all planned out. And as you can see, this individual has text on specific spots. If you're going to do this, make sure that the text that is appearing at the very beginning of your video, make sure, or where you have your thumbnail at, and we'll discuss thumbnail creation here in just a bit, where you have it is going to be easily readable, so that a person going on your profile can scroll through and they can find a video that they like. But make sure that it avoids the real estate area, the very top, the very right, and the very bottom. Make sure that your text is out of those things and out of the way of your content.